Today, we are talking about the AWS support plans. This is an important topic because choosing the plan that best fits your use case is crucial. So, in this video, we will look into the several support plans in AWS and the response times for the support plans. Let's get into it. With the basic support plan, you will have access to 24/7 customer service, AWS documentation and white papers, core trusted advisor checks and guidance to provision your resources to follow best practices, and a personalized view of health of AWS services and alerts when your resources are impacted with AWS health. Now, moving on to other plans, there are 4 different support plans in AWS: Developer, Business, Enterprise on-ramp, and Enterprise. First and foremost, let's talk about the use cases for each of these plans. If you are experimenting or testing on AWS, you would prefer Developer Plan. If you have a production workload in AWS, Business Plan would suit best for you. And if you have business critical workloads in AWS, Enterprise on-ramp or Enterprise would be suitable. Moving on to the architectural guidance and support. Through the Developer Plan, you receive general guidance, while with Business Plan, you get contextual guidance based on the use cases. With Enterprise on-ramp and Enterprise plans, you receive consultative review and guidance based on your applications. Now, talking about technical account managers. First, let's talk about who is a technical account manager. A technical account manager, or TAM, is a trusted advisor who provides consultative architectural and operational guidance to AWS customers. They help us in achieving greatest value from AWS by delivering consultations in the context of our applications and use cases. Getting back to the video, developer and business plans do not have technical account managers. However, for Enterprise on-ramp, a pool of technical account managers are available to provide proactive guidance and to coordinate access to programs and AWS experts. While with enterprise plans, a designated TAM is provided who can provide consultative architectural and operational guidance. Now about trusted advisor checks. With developer plan, you will have access to basic security checks, while with business and enterprise on-ramp, you have access to a full set of trusted advisor checks in all categories of cost optimization, performance, security, fault tolerance, service limits, and operational excellence. With enterprise plan, you have access to full set of checks along with prioritized recommendations. In terms of programmatic case management, in Developer Plan, you do not have access to the AWS Support API. However, all other plans has AWS Support API access. And lastly, for account and billing assistance, Enterprise on-ramp and Enterprise have access to a concierge support who will manage billing, optimize costs, and provide FinOps services. There are more support and services that AWS provides to all of these plans. To learn more, you can check out the link that I have shared in the description. Now, let's move on to the response time for each of these plans. For Developer Plan, you can get general guidance within 24 hours and a response if your system is impaired within 12 hours, both during business days. For Business Plan, you will receive general guidance and response on system impaired issues within 24 and 12 hours respectively, along with receiving a response if your production system is impaired within 4 hours, and if your production system is down, you will receive a response in less than an hour. All these are similar for Enterprise on-ramp and Enterprise plans. Additionally, for Enterprise on-ramp, if your business critical system is down, you can receive a response in less than 30 minutes, and for Enterprise plan, you will receive it in less than 15 minutes. So you can choose what plan to opt for depending on your needs and requirement. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to dive deeper into support plans, I have linked the official papers in the description below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.